In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your headset and microphone are not working on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that your headset is fully plugged in, and you should get that notification in the top left. Then what you want to do is go to System Settings, and we're going to scroll down, and then you want to go to Audio Settings. Now where it says Audio Output Source, you want to make sure this is on Audio Jack, and on your actual headset, make sure the mic's fully plugged into it, as well as if you have a mute toggle, make sure that's not turned on, and make sure the volume dial's turned up. Now after you've done that, we're going to scroll down, and you can leave all these settings on, and you can test your output here to ensure that your headset sound is actually working. So for the audio input under Input Microphone, make sure this is on Audio Jack. You can leave microphone noise suppression on, and for the microphone input volume, you can leave this turned up. Then you can test your microphone here and you can begin a recording, or you can already see that the mic is working. Now, if you're still experiencing issues at this point, it could be that your headset and mic is not compatible with the Switch 2, and if you're having issues with a specific game, I'd have a look in the actual settings in the game. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.